I just completed a program by letitgodiet.com of eating clean for 3 weeks, and I feel much better. I feel revived. I lost 19 pounds in 21 days. Thanks for tuning in. This is Let It Go Diet. We are on day 11. Day 11. This is juice number 3. I love the name of this juice. It's called Love Your Body Juice. Guess what? I'm starting to love my body. I'm day 11 on Let It Go Diet. I'm halfway through. I'm down 7 or 8 pounds. How am I going to feel on day 21? There is no taste of food out there that tastes better than the feeling sexy and skinny or thin, whatever you want to say. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel below. Also like the video. Today's recipe, almost, I don't know, tomatoes? We're going to juice tomatoes? We are. Tomatoes are in the berry family. That's right, they're in the berry family. And they are high in lycopene, is a powerful antioxidant that may prevent cancer. So come on, let's give the big old tomato a hand. Let's give the big old tomato a hand. And for those that tuned in just to see this ridiculous hat and hair sticking out of it, thanks for tuning in. You're going to change your life. My goal is for people to take control of what they're eating for 21 days. 21 days, 3 weeks. We live like 4,000 weeks. It's pretty easy to do. It's not that much time. And for the shirt, no. I have not ran 37.9 miles. You don't have to do that to lose weight, be thin, and be healthy. It's about what we put in our body. Look at kale, cilantro, the tomatoes. This is all going into one juice. For today, we're making 2 juices total. What is this shirt? What's the 37.9 stand for? Hey, if you're not involved in cryptocurrency, this is hex.com. It earns 38% yield on your money. I want to say this, handling your finances is a lot like handling your food choices. If you're a number cruncher and you're a finance person, male or female, and you watch every single penny and you're overweight, this video's for you. It's for all of us, no matter what size or shape you are. If you watch your numbers, watch what you eat. You are what you eat. In 21 days, I will lose 15 pounds. My blood pressure, my pulse, my mood, my pain. Dude, my pain, oh, that's why I'm wearing this. I feel good. My pain was an 8 out of 10 when I started this in my back and hip. It's an old injury from playing kickball. That's right, kickball. Anyway, look, it makes you feel better. So let's go ahead and wash up all these vegetables. We'll get it juiced, get it down. We'll taste it live on camera. Stay with me today for this juice and the next juice a little bit later. Stick with me. You can do this. I know you're ready to convert and make your body feel good with juicing. Alright, so we washed everything up and I peeled the cucumbers, and I actually peeled the rind off the lemon because these are non-organic lemons, and you really should not juice non-organic lemons in your juicer because pesticides can leak into the skin. Because my juicer has a 1 inch or 1.5 inch chute, I can't get large pieces down in my slow juicer. So I'm going to cut everything up into 1 inch pieces. If you have a juicer with a larger chute and you can drop a whole apple down there, you are going to save yourself some time, my friends. I'm juicing now for 3 days. Getting rid of the fiber helps the digestive tract just concentrate on moving that juice along. And because your digestive tract is taking a break, it's not working 23 hours, your body can start attacking the fat that's in the body. So these next few days, I'm going to drop weight. During juicing days, right before I started, I was like, oh, I'm out of Toilet paper and paper towels. I need to run to the store and get those items. Ah, guess what? I thought though. I'm juicing. I can just get paper towels. Hint, hint. You really don't need toilet paper on your juicing days. The Let It Go diet. I know you're not going to regret the decision. Hard decision? Yeah, you know, but once you do it once or twice, you'll look forward to doing it because you know how much your body benefits from the experience. All right, everything is washed. Everything is cut into 1-inch pieces only so it will fit down the chute of my juicer. If your chute is bigger, throw the whole thing in there. So, check this out. We have 2 juices today. 2. This is 1. If I told you to sit down and eat this salad, and when you get done I have another platter just as big, come on. It's impossible. Imagine the nutrients that you're getting. So, when people say, oh, when you juice, you're not eating enough. Ha! Really? If my body breaks this down anyway, let the juicer do it, and then my body uses all those nutrients, and then because my body's relaxed and not digesting food, it digests what? Toxins and fat. It will start chomping at that fat, gobble, 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 gobble. Keep watching. All right, let's start juicing. So the juice will strain out to this side, and all the fiber will come into this side, and this will be waste. I usually start with the greens, and then as the greens get into the juicer, if I want to like clear it out with a lot of fluid, I use a cucumber because there's a lot of fluid, a lot of water in the cucumbers. And even celery has a lot of fluid, and likely the tomatoes. So we'll use the kale first, and the cilantro. So I'll continue through. This will probably take about 15 minutes to juice the whole pan. And I can't wait to drink it just because I can smell it and I know what it's going to do for my body. Come back. We'll be back in just a few minutes. Check out the deep green of this juice. Alright, let's give this a gentle stir. Believe it or not, this is 1 juice for the day, and there's 2 total juices that you have to consume. I mean, if you don't get to it, you don't get to it, right? It's not the end of the world. Okay, so let's go over the ingredients of this recipe. 6 tomatoes, 9 celery stalks, organic, 3 cucumbers, organic if you can, or peel them, 4 lemons, organic or peel them, 9 kale leaves, and 3 handfuls of cilantro. So let's give Love Your Body juice a taste. Tomatoes, can you believe that? I mean, as soon as it hits. Let me tell you what this tastes like. If you've ever been on a muck farm, a vegetable farm, say 10 acres, and they grow everything, carrots, lettuce, tomatoes, and you're chipping in and you pull out all those fresh veggies and you take a whiff, that's what it tastes like. Super fresh. Super good for you. Remember, tomatoes are berries that have lycopene in them. It's an antioxidant that can help you fight and prevent cancer. It's good for you. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. I appreciate you tuning in. For those who just tuned in for the hat, I hope I saved your life. Let It Go Diet. See you soon.